Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to maths class. How are you? I hope all you are safe and fine at your home. എല്ലാവരും നല്ല രീതിയിലൊക്കെ എക്സാമുകളൊക്കെ എഴുതി മിസ് കരുതുന്നു. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഏറ്റവും അടുത്തുള്ള ഒരു പ്ലേസിലോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സ്കൂളിലോ പേപ്പർ ഇന്ന് തന്നെ എത്തിക്കണമെന്ന് ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി ഓർമ്മിപ്പിക്കുകയാണ്. Okay, let us start our class. Do you remember which lesson we are studying now? Yes, that is fractions. We already completed 3 classes. So in that lesson we learned how to convert fraction, also how to multiply a number and a fraction. So do you remember all these things? Okay, let us take one small example. A bottle can hold 3/4 liter of milk. How many liters of milk is there in such 7 bottles? That is, there are 7 bottles. So one bottle 3/4 liter of milk. 3/4 liter means how much? 3/4. So 3/4 liter of milk in one bottle. So how much milk in 7 bottles? That we have to find it. Okay, how can you find it? See, one bottle 3/4 liter of milk. Okay, one bottle only 3/4 liter of milk. Then how many bottles? 7 bottles. So total we have 7 bottles. That means 7 into 3/4. How can you multiply a whole number and a fraction? Last classes we studied. If you multiply a whole number and a fraction, then multiplying the numerators. We know that the numerator is this and this is the denominator. So multiplying the numerators, that is 7 into 3 divided by, then write the same denominator, that is 4, is equal to 7 3s are 21 and divided by 4. Now we know that this is improper fraction, that is numerator big and denominator small. If numerator is big and denominator is small, we have to convert into mixed fraction. Okay, how can you convert 21 divided by 4? We know that in 21, 5 times 4 will come. That means 5 4s are 20. Then subtract 1. Then we will get 5 1/4. See, after division we will get 5 1/4. That means 5 and quarter liter. 5 and quarter liter. So this is the improper fraction. Next we convert. Then after that we got 5 1/4 liter of milk total. So now one bottle only 3/4 liter of milk. Then this total, this 7 bottles we got 5 quarter liter of milk. The total milk is 5 quarter. Understood all of you? How to multiply a whole number and a fraction? Multiplying the numerator and write the same denominator. Okay. Next we will discuss some questions from page number 32. First question. An iron block weighs 1/4 kilogram, quarter kilogram. What is the weight of 15 such blocks? What about 16 blocks? Very simple question. So an iron blocks is, the weight is 1/4 kilogram. The weight of this iron block is 1/4 kilogram, quarter kilogram. So weight of one iron block is equal to 1/4 kilogram. Then we have to find what is the weight of 15 such iron blocks. So what is the weight of 15 iron blocks? Equal to 15 into 1/4. Understood all of you? One iron block weight is quarter kilogram. Then what is the weight of 15 iron blocks? That means 15 into 1/4. Simple now. Okay, then how can you find it? Whole number and a fraction. So multiplying the numerators, that is 15 into 1 and divided the same denominator. Then 15 into 1 is 15/4. We know that this is improper fraction because numerator big and denominator small. So we have to convert 15/4. We know that 3 4s are 12. Then remainder 3. This we can write 3 3/4. 15 by 4 we can write 3 by 4 kilogram. So 1 iron block weight is quarter kilogram. Then the weight of 15 iron block is 3 by 4 kilogram. Okay. Next, second part of the question. The same question, but we have to find the weight of 16 iron blocks. Okay. That is 16 iron blocks equal to 16 into 1 by 4. The weight of 16 iron blocks equal to 16 into weight of 1 iron block. Then 16 into 4 is 16 into 1 divided by 4. We know that 16 into 1 is 16 divided by 4. If you divide 16 by 4, we know that we will get 4. 4 4s are 16. So 4 kg. So the weight of 15 iron block is 3 by 4 kg and the weight of 16 iron block is 4 kg. Understood all of you? Next question. Each of some iron rods of length 2 meter is cut into 5 equal pieces. What is the length of each piece? What is the total length of 4 such pieces? What about 10 such pieces? So in this question it is given that the total length of the iron rod, the length of this iron rod is 2 meter. The total length of this iron rod is 2 meter. Okay. Then this iron rod is divided into 5 equal parts. So this iron rod is divided into 5 equal parts. Then we can find the length of one part. How much will come the length of one part? That is 2 by 5. So total length is 2 meter, then divided into 5 equal parts. So length of one part is 2 by 5. So total length is 2 meter, then length of one part. We know that the length of one part is 2 divided by 5 because 2 meter and divided into 5 equal parts. So 2 by 5. Okay, next you have to find what is the length of each piece. So one piece is 2 by 5. So these all pieces 2 by 5 meters. Okay. Next, what is the total length of 4 such pieces? Here we can see how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 pieces. You have to find the length of 4 pieces. Length of 4 pieces. Length of 4 pieces means what? This much. What is the length of these 4 pieces that we have to find it? How can you find the length of 4 pieces? That is 4 into. Length of 4 means 4 into 1 piece length is 2 by 5. So 4 into 2 by 5 is equal to 4 2s are 8 and 5. 8 by 5. So 8 by 5 we can write 1 3 by 5. So the length of 4 pieces is 1 3 by 5 meter. What all of you? Next the same. What is the length of 5 pieces? Sorry, 10. What is the length of 10 such pieces? That means what? 10 into 2 by 5. One part is 2 by 5 and we have to find the length of this model 10 pieces. Okay, so 10 into 2 by 5 is equal to 10 2s are 20 and 20 divided by 5. We know that 20 divided by 5 is 4. 5 4s are 20. So length of 10 pieces is 4 meter. Okay, have you understood? Next we are going to learn a new topic, that is part of part. Part of part means multiplication of two fractions. In 5th class we studied addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions, like that. So today let us do multiplication of fractions. How to multiply two fractions. Example, 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. We know that 1 by 2 is a fraction and 1 by 3 is also another fraction. So how can you multiply these two fractions? It is very simple. Multiplication of fraction is very simple. See, multiplying the numerators. Multiplying these two numerators, that is 1 into 1, and multiplying the denominators. Here denominators are 2 and 3. multiplying the denominators 2 into 3. We know that 1 into 1 is 1 and 2 3s are 6. Okay, simple alay. In the same way we can write the opposite, that is 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. Then also we will get the same, because see 1 into 1 and 3 into 2 equal to, sorry, here 1 into 1, 3 2s are 6. So if you multiply 1 into 2, sorry 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, 1 by 6, then we will get also 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. Both are same answer will come. So if you want to multiply the fractions, you have to multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. Okay. Suppose another question. Third question. 1 by 5. 1 by 5 into 1 by 3. What is the answer will come? Multiplying the numerators, that is 1 into 1 divided by multiplying the denominators, that is 5 into 3 is equal to 1 by 50. If you multiply the 1 by 3 into 1 by 5, see multiplying the numerators, that is 1 into 1 and 3 into 5 is equal to 1 by 50. Let's all of you. Another example, 1 by 6. 1 by 6 into 1 by 3. See, multiplying the numerators, that is 1 into 1 divided by 6 into 3 is equal to 1 by 80. Suppose 1 by 3 into 1 by 6. See, numerators 1 into 1 and denominator 3 into 6 is equal to 1 by 80. ഞാൻ തിരിച്ചു മറിച്ചും എങ്ങനെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താലും നമുക്ക് സെയിം ആൻസർ ആണ് കിട്ടുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദിസ് ഈസ് ദ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ഓഫ് ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ. വെരി സിമ്പിൾ ആണ്. ന്യൂമറേറ്റേഴ്സ് തമ്മിൽ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുക, ഡിനോമിനേറ്റേഴ്സ് തമ്മിൽ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഫ്രം പേജ് നമ്പർ 35. A string of length 1 meter is cut into 5 equal parts. What is the length of half of one such piece? How many centimeters? That is, the length of a string is 1 meter. Suppose this is the string. Okay, then the length of the string is 1 meter. Total length is 1 meter. Then this string is divided into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now this 1 meter string is divided into 5 equal parts. So what is the length will come? What is the length of one piece will come? We know the length of one piece is 1 by 5, because total 1 meter then divided into 5 equal parts. So length of one piece is 1 by 5. So total length is 1 meter. Then length of one piece equal to only one piece length, that is 1 by 5 meter. Okay, next you have to find the half of, what is the half of this length? What is the half of this 1 by 5? That you have to find it. So the half of 1 by 5. So next you have to find the, what is the half of this length? We know that the length of this portion is 1 by 5. So what is the half of this? All of you. Suppose ഈ ലെങ്ത്തിന്റെ നീളം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്, സപ്പോസ് ഇതൊരു 2 സെന്റിമീറ്റർ ആണെങ്കിൽ ഇതിന്റെ ഹാഫ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എത്രയായിരിക്കും? ഈ ഇത്രയും ലെങ്ത് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 2 സെന്റിമീറ്റർ ആണെങ്കിൽ ഇതിന്റെ ഹാഫ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 1 സെന്റിമീറ്റർ ആയിരിക്കും അല്ലെ? അതിന്റെ നേർ പകുതി ആയിരിക്കും. അതുപോലെ ഈ ലെങ്ത് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 1 by 5 ആണ്. സോ ദ ലെങ്ത് ഓഫ് ദീസ് പോർഷൻ ഈസ് 1 by 5. സോ അതിന്റെ ഹാഫ് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ഹാഫ് ഓഫ് 1 by 5. ഈ 1 by 5ന്റെ ഹാഫ് എത്രയാണെന്നാണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. സോ 1 by 2 ഓഫ് 1 by 5 മീൻസ് 1 by 2 ഓഫ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അവിടെ നമ്മൾ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ആണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്, ഹാഫ് ആണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. സോ 1 by 2 ഓഫ് 1 by 5. Now we got two fractions, 1 by 2 and 1 by 5. We know that how to multiply two fractions, 1 by 2 and 1 by 5. That is multiplying the numerators 1 into 1 and multiplying the denominators, that is 2 into 5 is equal to 1 divided by 10. Understood all of you? So the half of one portion is 1 by 10. Understood all of you? So total length is 1 by 5. So again this we are finding the half of 1 by 5, that is 1 by 10. So this is also 1 by 10. So if you divide all, then all we get 1 by 10 portions. Okay, so this we have to find it. Also this is meter. This is in meter. Next we have to find this is in centimeter. So 1 by 10 meter equal to, you have to convert this is in centimeter. So 1 by 10 into, how to convert meter to centimeter? Multiplying with 100. So whole here also whole number and fraction. That means 100 divided by 10. Divided by 0 cancel, then only 10 is remaining. So 10 centimeter. So this portion is 10 centimeter. Okay, next another question. 1 kilogram yam is cut into 3 equal pieces. One of the piece is halved. What is the weight of this piece? That is 1 kilogram of yam. Yam means what? Chena. 1 kilogram yam is cut into 3 equal pieces. So this yam is cut into 3 equal pieces. Okay. Then one of the piece is halved. Again we have to divide this piece into half. Total 3 equal pieces. Total we have 3 equal pieces. And again we have to cut this piece into 2 equal parts. Then what is the weight of this piece? Then what is the weight of one piece? That we have to find it. Okay. So how can you find the total weight? Total weight is equal to 1 kilogram. Then how many equal pieces? Number of pieces equal to 3 equal pieces. Then what is the weight of one piece? Weight of one piece equal to 1 by 3, because total 1 kilogram then divided into 3 equal pieces. So length of one piece is 1 by 3. Then again we have to divide this piece into 2 equal pieces. Then what is the weight? That we have to find it. That means what? Half of this 1 by 3. ഈ പീസിന്റെ മാത്രം വെയിറ്റ് ആണ് നമ്മൾ, സോറി, ഈ ഒരു പീസിന്റെ വെയിറ്റ് ആണ് നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. ഈ ഒരു പീസിന്റെ മാത്രം വെയിറ്റ് ആണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നത്. That is half of 1 by 3. We know that this total weight is 1 by 3. So half of 1 by 3 means half of 1 by 3 is equal to half into, of means into, equal to into 1 by half into 1 by 3. Multiplying the numerator. Now we got two fractions, 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. So if you want to multiply fractions, multiplying the numerators and multiplying the denominators. 1 into 1 and 2 into 3 is equal to 1 by 6. So the weight of this small piece is 1 by 6 kilogram. What all of you?